What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on the site called Paidviewpoint. I'm about to do a cash out real quick. You see here I have $17.22. I'm going to cash that out right now. It's a cash out minimum of this site of you have to cash out at $15. That's when you can cash out. I grind on it like pretty much every day, literally, because they always have surveys for you, and I tell you on this site you would never get disqualified for a survey. So for all of those who get disqualified often for whatever reason, this has to be one of the sites that you have to use to really lower your frustration, because every survey you take, you're going to complete and you're going to get paid for it. There's no answering 2 questions and getting kicked out, or going halfway through the survey then getting kicked out. You will qualify for every survey that you do. Okay, I'm not lying. I just telling the truth on that. All right. So you see here I have one survey waiting. Every day you'll have at least one survey. You know, you come back from time to time, you'll have more, but like I said, every day it'll be one, and the minimum they'll pay you is 10 cents. So for this site in particular, what you want to do, you have to have a demographic set up. If you want to learn how to do that, you go over here to my demographics and have that filled out correctly, because they're going to ask you questions, and a lot of those questions are going to be kind of centered around your demographics. So if you say you live in Arizona in your demographics, but when they ask you a survey and you live in Georgia, then they're gonna lower your trait score. So make sure whatever you answer in your survey lines up with your demographic. That's the biggest thing on this site. All right. And another thing I want to tell you is that make sure you have all your information right as far as your email and your phone number when you set up your account, because if you change those, they actually have 2 options. You can either burn your earnings, which is like you have to wait. Well, let me put it like this. Burn your earnings means whatever you have in your account, you can reset it to 0 and you start over when you change something, or you can freeze your earnings for 6 months and then, you can go back and do it. But the thing is like, that's why I tell people, when you set up your account, just make sure it's accurate. Make sure your phone number is accurate, and make sure your email is accurate. It lines up with your PayPal. That way you don't have to worry about anything like that, because if you change anything later on as far as your email and your phone number, they will make you wait 6 months, or you have to reset your account to 0. So neither one of those are good. That's why I just say set it up correctly at the beginning, right? But it's a very good site to use if you just follow their terms and conditions, which are not difficult. Just tell the truth in the surveys, because you'll never get disqualified. So that's the biggest thing. All right, so you see I got $17.22. I'm going to cash out that entire $17. It'll go right to my PayPal account. I'm going to do that right now, so I'm going to pause the video real quick. All right, y'all, so I just cashed out. Now I'm back at 0. I got my $17.22 on the way. It says it'll be here anywhere between 24 to 72 hours. It usually comes within a day. So just cashed out. I'm going to show you my trait score here. You see how high it is. Like I said, 10,000 is the highest you can be on this site. Every time you do a survey, every time you complete it, your trait score will continue to go up. The important thing on this site is to be honest. I know there's a lot of, different sites that you take surveys on where you can kind of lie just to get the credit. But on this site, tell the truth. And it's not hurting you to tell the truth, because you're going to qualify for the survey anyway. They want honest people on this site. That's why they had a trait score. And the higher your trait score is, the more surveys they will continue to give you. You see here, I have one survey waiting for me. So, they continue to throw me surveys. I've done like 3 today, and I have another one on the way, like right there I'm about to do. So just continue to grind in the site. Continue to get your trait score as high as possible. If you would like to have, more tips or tricks, don't hesitate to hit me up. Definitely use my link. When you use my link, they'll able to give you more surveys like the way I'm getting. You see, I'm cashing out really like all the time with this site. So definitely click on the link below, sign up, make sure your information is correct. Make sure your demographics is all lined up. When you answer the surveys, be honest. So that way you can make a lot of money with this site. All right. So that's it for this video. Remember, sign up with the link in the description. That way you can make the kind of money that I'm making. All right. That's very, very important. All right. So that's it. And it's Every Penny Counts signing out.